Good morning, one and all. It is my honor to introduce the eminent and the evergreen personality, Dr. P.A. Inamdar Sir, President MCA Society, Azam Campus, Pune. Sir is recognized for a wide range of work in the field of education, construction, legal matters across the country. Talking with the Aam Aadmi is never a problem for the man who is fluent in Kannada, his mother tongue Urdu, Hindi, Marathi and English. He is a man who is always on the mission, a mission to make a healthy difference. Educationist in action. Not everybody can do wonders to an educational institute the way Inamdar Sir has to the Azam campus in Pune. It is my humble request to Inamdar Sir to please address with us.
Has drawn up a very important program for pharmacy diploma course teachers. This program has been drawn not because of anything else but to connect all the teachers of pharmacy faculty to modern technology and giving education through this technology to all the students so that we will be able to acquire more knowledge in a less time and with a less expenditure and with a less infrastructure. I must appreciate the decision taken for holding this 6-day seminar by the government, and for this purpose I appreciate their efforts. Chief coordinator is from my campus. He is Dr. Jagtap. He is a very committed person and he is always try to find something different. He is a very knowledgeable, very secular, very hardworking, and so also always trying to bring something new before the students. And he is leading this 6-day program. And I request all the participants, because they are going to get certificate also from the government. And for this purpose, sincere participation with the intention to acquire some different knowledge, different medium of getting knowledge. I request all the participants who have given their willingness not only just participate but see to it that all contents of 6-day program are taken in a right spirit and use it for the future, poor, needy, deserving, and also not so poor. All students should be benefited from that knowledge. Thank you very much.
Good morning, all of you. I am Aisha from MCA Society Institute of Pharmacy. Welcomes you on the third day of MSBT sponsored 1-week online faculty development program on the effective use of ICT tool for teaching and learning process and online assessment. Our today's eminent speaker is the Mr. Royston Botelho, who is the India head of the Calixport Talent Solution Private Limited. Calixport is a niche cutting edge platform to manage the college related placement activities. Today, Sir will address us on the topic of setting online question paper and its effective assessment and webinar online exam model software demo. Mr. Royston Sir has completed his BTech ECE in 2004 from the prestigious Netaji Subhas University of Technology. Sir is a business leader with 15 years of experience. He is well known to handle and execute key projects in a requirement for the various MSME sector. He is an avid speaker and completely focused to narrow the bridge between the organization and college. Calyx Point, and he aspired to uplift and upgrade the student from the remote and lesser known colleges throughout the country. May I request Royston sir to please address with us.